Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another Toonie break. This is group break number 348, box of 1112 Panini Titanium. Let's see what we get in this one. 476 is the box number. Good luck. Ooh, we got a... Actually, 1112, they fooled us with the decoys. It's a super thick back in here, but that could easily be a decoy. Let's not get too excited about it. Good luck, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, it's not a true rookie. Never mind. Vancouver Canucks gets a draft position. 13 of 41, Jan Sove. 13 of 41, Jan Sove, rookie. And a nice Bobby Ryan, 99 of 100 for the Anaheim Ducks. Bobby Ryan, dual jersey autograph. Nice hit for Anaheim. For the Colorado Avalanche, Game 1 gear of Paul Stastny. I used to call him Stastny. I don't know which one's the right one, but I think Stastny makes more sense. For the Montreal Canadiens, Game 1 gear, Scott Gomez. What's up, Key Lime? How you doing, buddy? More Game 1 gear. We have to randomize this one. Game 1 gear duel. Semyon Varlamov and Michael Neuvirth between Colorado and Capitals. Washington, Colorado. Let's put that away. See if we have a patch or a decoy. It is a decoy. Yep. Told you they fooled us. It is Joe Vitale, New Wave autograph for the Pittsburgh Penguins. That's a super thick decoy. Okay, let's randomize this between Washington and Anaheim. Colorado. Washington and Colorado. 1 second, guys. Be right back. Washington, Colorado. Okay, so 3 times. Team on top gets it. Good luck. Once, twice, third and final. Washington is the winner of that card. 2 items. Washington 3 times. Congrats, Washington. Thanks for joining us again for another Toonie break. We'll be back shortly.